The Lower Colorado River Multi-Species Conservation Program was designed to balance the use of Lower Colorado River water resources with native species and their habitats. The Lower Colorado River is much changed from its historic state. As you know, there's hydropower plants, various other things in the system now that have changed it from a once free-flowing river with natural flooding, lots of turbidity, to what we have now, which is a very controlled, regulated system, very clear water. As those changes in the system happen, and as other species were introduced to the system, we had an impact on native species. What we do as part of our work is work to conserve the current populations that exist. We introduce fish to the system each year. The process for that on Lake Mojave, where we are today, is we capture razorback sucker larval fish. They're about 10 millimeters long, or about the size of your fingernail. We capture them from the lake and we bring them to the Willow Beach National Fish Hatchery. We bring them here to rear them in protective custody, free from predators. They're on site here for about 3 to 4 years, at which point we then will reintroduce them to the system to support the existing populations. We actually reintroduced razorback sucker from Lake Mojave all the way down to the southerly international boundary with Mexico. So it's roughly 400 miles of Lower Colorado River is our program area. Today we're going to go upriver from Willow Beach towards Hoover Dam. There's several sites along that way where we reintroduce fish. Fish also congregate during the spawning season at these locations. So what we do is tend to stock fish in areas where we know they have a good chance of mixing with the existing population and contributing their genetics to each year's spawn. What we're doing is very important. Conservation of these species and their habitat, while still being able to do what we need to do for the American public, which is deliver water and generate power. So it's that balance between getting to do something with these incredible species, but also still meeting the mission of reclamation and still providing compliance for all of our partners and everyone who needs water from the Lower Colorado River. It's very rewarding.